You can mark expenses as billable in QuickBooks so you can charge your customers for them later. Let's go over how to turn this feature on, how to mark expenses as billable, and assign them to a customer. Then we'll add those expenses to an invoice. First, make sure you have billable expenses turned on. Go to Settings and Account and Settings, then select Expenses. Select the Bills and Expenses section. Make sure that Track Expenses and Items by Customer is turned on. Note that this feature is not available in some QuickBooks plans. Then turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable if you want to charge a markup on your expenses. You can also decide if you want to count these expenses as income. Once you are finished, select Save, and then Done. Now you're ready to track and bill expenses by customer. Go to Transactions and Bank Transactions. When you have an expense you want to bill to a customer, just select it and select the customer you want to bill it to. If you don't see your customer, then you can add them here. Then check this Billable box. When you are done, select Add. You can also do this for manual expenses, checks, or bills. Just create one like you normally would, and you'll see the Billable box and Customer drop-down here. When you are ready to invoice your customer for these expenses, go to New and Invoice. Select your customer, and then under Suggested Transactions, you'll see all the billable expenses you've assigned to this customer. Select Add so you can add this expense to your invoice. You can select this icon to open the expense. Once you add the expense, you'll see all of it by line items on your invoice. You can make any changes you need. If you turned on the markup field, you'll see that as a separate line that you can also edit. Note that your customer does not see the markup field. Complete the rest of your invoice and send it to your customer. That's it. Now you're ready to start tracking expenses to bill your customers.